Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and in this short video I will tell you that how you can easily log out of your YouTube account on your mobile, Android or iPhone. That's quite simple, interesting and easy, so make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make a single mistake. So guys, first of all, in order to log out of your Facebook YouTube account, YouTube channel or YouTube account, you'll have to open your YouTube app on whatever you have, iPhone or Android. And once you're on this page, you will have to tap on your profile on the bottom right corner, and right here you'll be able to find your channel. Now you'll have to tap on switch account on the bottom left corner of your top left corner of your screen, and after that you will have to tap on manage accounts on this device. Now you'll be able to find all your Gmail accounts that you have logged in your device on this page, and all you'll have to do is to tap on remove from this device, and it says that this account and any unsaved data will be removed from YouTube and other Google apps on this device. And if you'll tap on remove, your account will be removed and logged out from YouTube application, and you'll have to sign in to your account again. So that's how you can easily log out of your YouTube account on your mobile. I hope you found the video helpful. If you found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions about the video, let me know in the comment section. Thank you.